Feeling overwhelmed by all the options for funding your crypto account? Maybe you're looking to deposit a larger amount, or you want to avoid a long wait time for your funds to clear. If that sounds like you, then a wire transfer might be the perfect solution. Wire transfers are a classic and reliable way to move money, and they're a great choice for getting funds into your Gemini account quickly and securely. They are also ideal for larger deposits, as they typically don't have the same low limits as other payment methods. So, how exactly do you do it? Let's walk through the simple, step-by-step process. First, you'll need to log into your Gemini account either on the website or the mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the transfer section. It's usually a button or a menu option that says something like Deposit into Gemini. From there, select Wire Transfer as your deposit method. This is the most crucial part. Gemini will provide you with all the specific banking information you need to initiate the wire transfer. This includes the receiving bank's name, address, account number, and, most importantly, a unique account reference code. This reference code is what ensures your funds get credited to your specific account, so you must include it in the memo, notes, or reference field of your wire transfer. Without it, your deposit could be significantly delayed. Now, take this information to your bank. You can either visit a branch in person, call your bank's wire transfer department, or use your bank's online or mobile banking service to initiate the transfer. When you do, make sure every single detail, especially that reference code, is entered exactly as provided by Gemini. Once you've initiated the transfer from your bank, the funds are usually sent and received within the same business day, or the next business day, depending on the time of day you send it and your bank's processing times. It's much faster than other methods, which can take several days to fully clear. Keep in mind, while Gemini doesn't charge a fee for wire transfer deposits, your bank may have an outgoing wire transfer fee. It's always a good idea to check with your bank beforehand to understand any associated costs. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see the funds appear in your Gemini account, ready for you to start trading. It's a straightforward and efficient way to get capital onto the platform, especially for those looking to make a substantial deposit without a long wait. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.